This is awesome, Lala. So this was the wood, it was wooden tree. I've seen these at the dollar store. And then look at how you can really change things up, even without a resin mold. That is awesome. So beautiful. Let me follow you. I need to go over here, though, and do it because I don't know why. If I follow you from any other place, it doesn't register. And I'm scrolling. This is a brand new Instagram, guys. It's quite new. Go follow. It's got that new smell. Oh, I get an auto shout out. Look at that. It's awesome to play with inexpensive materials. Do you know, Lala, I wanted to, when I first started streaming, and there's so many things I wanted to do, and I never did. I wanted to do crafting on a budget was something I wanted to do, where everything is inexpensive. And so, I mean, I do it without actually making it a thing. You smell something? Can you smell it? It's that new Instagram smell. It could be you. No, it's Shipwreck. Yes, Lala has Instagram. So the link tree is pasted up there on the top. Here is the regular Instagram channel. I'll post that for you. So there you go. There's the direct link to the Instagram. Look at these dice. So what, Lala, what is your craft of choice? Is it resin is your craft of choice? So you do markets as well. How do you enjoy the markets? I find it's a lot of time, but I enjoy the day out. These dragons, by the way, gorgeous. Beautiful setup. Very pretty setup. Look at these dragons. How come it won't let me heart it? Beautiful, beautiful. Little intimidating sometimes. My next one is at a film festival. Oh, I love that. So you've been doing markets for a long time then. Like you're totally not new to crafts. You're new to streaming the crafts. These are beautiful. Look at how crystally they are. Hello, what a yarnaholic. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. So pretty. I'm going to get to look at every single thing on this Instagram because it's brand new. Look at these roses. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? I see roses. Is it like, let me see if there's a... Look at those dragons. Is this, oh, where is it? It looks like roses around a sword. Is that what it is? Cass! Cass, Cass, Cass! Everybody! I have something. It is... oh, we need to go here, I think. It is Cass's birthday week. It was Cass's birthday on Thursday, guys. Everyone, please wish Cass a happy birthday. Only 363 days to go till the next one.